NBC News legal analyst Misty Marris joins us now. All right, Misty, you were talking about this in the last hour that TikTok did this last-minute end run, a settlement. What does this mean? Will we know any of the details? And how unusual or how common is it for a defendant to do that at the last minute?
Well, this is a civil case, so at any point in time, even through the trial and even after the trial, the parties can actually settle. So it's not uncommon to see a settlement on what we call the courthouse steps right before you're getting ready to pick that jury. One of the things that incentivizes defendants to settle, especially when you're talking about so many other cases that are waiting in the wings, is that the terms of the settlement agreement are generally confidential, so they will not be publicly available. Also, companies do not admit any wrongdoing in those agreements, so it won't have any legal implications regarding those other cases.
Okay. But take us back to how we got here, Misty. I mean, the plaintiff is a 19-year-old woman, I believe from California, who essentially said that her depression came from the addictive design of apps like Facebook and Instagram. I mean, legally, how strong is her case?
Yeah, so she says that from a young age, she was subjected to all of these addictive features on these social media apps and links that to her depression and actually suicidal ideation. So what the case hinges on is really causation. This will be an issue for the jury to decide. Was it this addictive algorithm? Was it the business model that the companies knew and knowingly implemented, even though it would cause harm? Or was it the content that she was viewing, which would be protected under a federal law called 230 in the First Amendment? So that's going to be a critical question, and the jury is going to make that choice.
You explain everything so well, Misty, and I'm so much smarter for knowing you. Misty Marris, thank you so much.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you, Misty.